Hey everyone, MKBHD here. Let's talk apps, specifically Android apps. The app market is exploding right now. Everyone uses apps for everything. Think about it, banking, shopping, even finding a date. It's all on your phone. This means huge demand for Android developers. Companies need people who can build these apps, and they're willing to pay big bucks. We're talking serious career potential here. If you've got the skills, the tech world is your oyster. Android is the dominant force in the mobile world. Billions of devices, all running on Android. That's a massive audience for your creations. So, if you're thinking about getting into coding, Android development is the place to be. So, you want to build the next killer app? You'll need the right tools. First up, programming languages. Java and Kotlin are your best friends here. Java's the old reliable, been around forever. Kotlin's the new kid on the block, gaining popularity fast. Next, the Android SDK. Think of this as your toolbox. It's got everything you need to build your app, from the user interface to data storage. Master the SDK and you're well on your way. But it's not just about the code. You need soft skills too. Problem solving is key. Apps are complex and things will go wrong. You need to be able to think on your feet and find solutions. Creativity is also important. The app market is crowded. To stand out, your app needs to be unique and engaging. Think outside the box and bring your A game. Now, let's talk frameworks. These are like pre-built templates that make your life easier. Two big names in the game, Flutter and React Native. Flutter, developed by Google, is known for its speed and smooth animations. It uses a language called Dart, which is easy to learn and fun to use. If you're all about that performance and slick UI, Flutter's your guy. React Native from Facebook is all about efficiency. It uses JavaScript, which is a super popular language. This means you can build apps for both Android and iOS with the same code base. Write once, deploy everywhere. So, which one to choose? It depends on your priorities. Flutter for speed and UI, React Native for efficiency and cross-platform compatibility. Do your research and find the best fit for your project. Section 4. Riding the wave key trends in app development. The tech world moves fast and app development is no exception. New trends are always popping up. Stay ahead of the curve and your apps will be top of the charts. AI is huge right now. Think personalized experiences, smart recommendations, and even voice control. Integrating AI into your apps can take them to the next level. AR, or augmented reality, is another game changer. Remember Pokemon Go? That's AR in action. Overlapping the digital world with the real world opens up a whole new dimension for app developers. Then we have IoT, the Internet of Things. Everything's connected these days, from your fridge to your car. Apps can tap into this network, giving users control over their devices and their environment. Section 5. The future is mobile. Foldable phones and beyond. Speaking of the future, let's talk foldable phones. These devices are changing the game. Bigger screens, new form factors, and a whole lot of potential for developers. Imagine apps that seamlessly transition from phone to tablet mode, or games that take advantage of the dual screen setup. Foldable phones are a challenge, but also an incredible opportunity for innovation. And it's not just about phones. Wearables, smart home devices, even self-driving cars, they all rely on apps. The future of mobile is about creating seamless experiences across all these devices. It's about building a connected world where technology enhances our lives. Section 6, your roadmap to Android mastery. So there you have it. The world of Android app development is vast and exciting. But where do you start? Here's your roadmap. First, learn the basics. Master Java or Kotlin? Get comfortable with the Android SDK and start building simple apps. There are tons of online resources and tutorials to get you started. Next, choose your framework, Flutter or React Native. Weigh the pros and cons and pick the one that aligns with your goals. Stay up to date. The tech world moves fast. Follow blogs, attend conferences, and never stop learning. Be creative. Don't be afraid to experiment and think outside the box. The best apps are those that solve problems and delight users in new and innovative ways. The future of mobile is here and it's waiting for you. So, what are you waiting for? Get coding!